We need an urgent convening of stakeholders to discuss the state of media in the COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 period. And toward this end, KEG and other representative bodies, including the Kenya Union of Journalists, the Kenya Correspondents Association, the Association of Media Women in Kenya, and the Media Owners Association, together with the regulatory bodies such as the Media Council of Kenya and the Communications Authority and the Ministry of Information, Communications and Technology, will gather to find joint approaches to problems currently facing the sector. In that convening, a key idea, a key pursuit that KEG is putting on the table is the establishment of a media sustainability fund to help the industry survive the crisis we are currently in. That fund, such funds are already in operation in Europe, in the United States, and in some African countries. They have been put in place out of recognition that media occupies a vital place in times of national and international crisis.